found that in large bulk material conveying lines such as ore and iron ore, the cleaner bracket is often deformed by high belt speed, and the cleaner blades is often injured by the bulk material. This BCT1 is specially designed for this harsh working environment. This BCT1 heavy-duty cleaner, the bracket is 8 millimeter thickness, and this part is 6 millimeter thickness. With this high strength carbon steel frame, we can fully withstand the extreme force of the conveyor line with a belt width of 2000 millimeter and a belt speed of 7 meters per second without deformation, ensuring that the cleaner is always on efficient cleaning state. The BCT1 heavy-duty cleaner has this special tensioner. This special tensioner makes the daily maintenance of the cleaner easier. When you use this handlebar, you can put it forward and behind. The maximum cleaner angle adjustment of 40 degrees can maximize the use of the cleaner volume and reduce the waste of the cleaner blades.